Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to report home sale proceeds on Turbotax in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic. You know how we do. We're just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump into it. Now the first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your home sales paperwork, including the sales contract and any other related receipts. Once you have them, just go ahead and log into your Turbotax account on the Turbotax website. Sign in using your email address and your password. And once you sign into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to report your home sale proceeds for. And once you have it selected, go ahead and select income. So choose income and then select home sales as your income type. And once you have that selected, you're gonna need to enter your total home sale proceeds, including any gains or losses from the sale. After you've entered all that, you're gonna claim any related deductions such as real estate agent fees or closing costs. Just go ahead and claim those. And you're gonna need to review your home sale proceeds report one more time just to make sure that the information is accurate. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're gonna take it from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to report home sale proceeds on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys